What if I told you there's an animal that can regrow its entire brain and survive in outer space? Nature is full of creatures that seem to defy every rule we know. From the frozen peaks of the highest mountains to the crushing depths of the ocean, life has found a way to survive in the most impossible places. Today, we're counting down the 5 most insanely adapted animals on Earth. These creatures don't just survive, they thrive where others would perish. Imagine regenerating lost limbs, changing your entire body to blend in, or surviving the vacuum of space. These are not science fiction, they're real, living wonders. They've rewritten the laws of biology itself. Number 5 will blow your mind, but wait until you see number 1. Get ready for a countdown of nature's ultimate survivors. Number 5, the axolotl. Deep in the ancient misty lakes of Mexico City, this remarkable salamander drifts among tangled aquatic plants, almost like a creature from a forgotten world. Unlike most amphibians, the axolotl never undergoes full metamorphosis. It keeps its feathery gills and youthful features for life, a phenomenon called neoteny, which is extremely rare in the animal kingdom. In a world where most salamanders grow up and leave the water, the axolotl remains a permanent aquatic resident, thriving in the cool, dark canals of Xochimilco. But the axolotl's true superpower is regeneration. Lose a leg, a tail, even parts of its heart or brain, and it grows back perfectly time after time. Scientists study the axolotl's cells to unlock the secrets of healing. Under the microscope, you can see cells multiplying and forming new tissues, no scars, just flawless restoration. This ability has made the axolotl a superstar in medical research, offering hope for breakthroughs in treating spinal injuries and even regenerating human tissues. But this living miracle is in danger. Habitat loss and pollution have pushed wild axolotls to the brink of extinction. Conservationists are racing to save them, restoring their lake homes and breeding them in captivity. The axolotl isn't just a symbol of survival, it's a living legend, holding the keys to both ancient mysteries and the future of medicine. Number 4. The Arctic fox. In the brutal Arctic tundra, survival means mastering the art of invisibility. This small predator thrives where few others can, enduring temperatures as low as -50 degrees Celsius. Its thick, multi-layered fur is the warmest of any Arctic animal, and its compact body conserves heat. In winter, its dazzling white coat blends perfectly with the snow, making it nearly invisible to both prey and predators. But as the seasons change, so does the landscape. When the snow melts, the Arctic fox undergoes a dramatic transformation. Its fur shifts from white to brown or gray, matching the summer tundra. This is camouflage at the genetic level, triggered by changes in daylight. The Arctic fox is a resourceful hunter. It listens for the faintest sounds beneath the snow, then leaps high and dives headfirst to catch lemmings and other small prey. In summer, it scavenges leftovers from polar bears and even stores food for the long winter. Raising a family in the Arctic is no easy feat. Arctic foxes dig deep dens in the permafrost to shelter their pups from the cold and predators. A single litter can have up to 14 pups, all relying on their parents for warmth and food. Despite their incredible adaptations, Arctic foxes face new challenges: shrinking ice, changing prey, and competition from red foxes moving north. Yet their resilience and ingenuity make them true survivors of the frozen north. Number 3, the pistol shrimp. Hidden in tropical reefs, this tiny crustacean is one of the ocean's most astonishing predators. No bigger than your finger, the pistol shrimp has one claw that's massively oversized, its secret weapon. This claw isn't for crushing or grabbing, instead it snaps shut with such speed that it shoots out a jet of water, creating a bubble that collapses in a tiny explosion. This is called cavitation. The bubble's collapse produces a shockwave and a flash of light, reaching temperatures nearly as hot as the surface of the sun, over 4,700 degrees Celsius. The resulting sonic boom stuns or kills prey instantly. Fish, crabs, and even other shrimp are no match for this underwater gunslinger. Pistol shrimp colonies can be so loud their snapping claws create a crackling sound that can drown out submarine sonar. These shrimp are found in warm coastal waters around the world, often sharing burrows with goby fish in a remarkable partnership. With a claw that fires sonic bullets and a lifestyle that shapes entire reef ecosystems, the pistol shrimp is a true marvel of evolution. Number 2, the tardigrade. At less than a millimeter long, this microscopic marvel is found everywhere, from mossy logs in your backyard to the deepest ocean trenches and the icy peaks of the Himalayas. Also called the water bear, Tardigrades were first discovered in 1773 by German zoologist Johann August Ephraim Gause. Since then, they've fascinated scientists with their resilience. Tardigrades are everywhere, on mountaintops, in rainforests, deserts, and even the Antarctic. They thrive in places where almost nothing else can survive. Their secret? When conditions turn deadly, tardigrades enter a state called cryptobiosis. They curl into a ton, expel almost all water, and shut down their metabolism to near zero. In this state, they survive temperatures from near absolute zero to boiling, pressures that would crush submarines, and radiation that would kill any other animal. Scientists have blasted tardigrades with radiation, dried them out for decades, and even launched them into space. In 2007, tardigrades became the first animals to survive direct exposure to the vacuum and radiation of outer space. Their resilience is more than a curiosity. Studying tardigrades helps scientists understand how life might survive on other planets, and could even inspire new ways to protect human cells. The tardigrade, tiny, nearly indestructible, and a living testament to the power of adaptation. Number 1. The mimic octopus. This underwater genius is the ultimate master of deception, able to transform its entire body in seconds. Unlike other animals that simply hide, the mimic octopus impersonates deadly sea creatures to fool both predators and prey. Its intelligence is remarkable. The octopus observes its surroundings and chooses which animal to become based on the threat it faces. If threatened by a predatory fish, it stretches its arms and mimics the poisonous lionfish, complete with flowing spines and bold warning colors. Crossing open sand, it flattens its body and glides like a flatfish, blending perfectly with the ocean floor. To scare off crabs, it raises two arms and mimics the banded sea snake, a highly venomous predator. Scientists have documented over 15 different species it can mimic, including jellyfish, stingrays, and even giant crabs. The secret lies in its skin. Specialized cells called chromatophores let it change color and pattern instantly, while muscles reshape its body to match any creature. In the food chain, the mimic octopus is both predator and prey. Its mimicry confuses attackers and helps it sneak up on unsuspecting victims. This is evolution's masterpiece, an animal that survives by becoming whatever it needs to be, whenever it needs to be it. The mimic octopus doesn't just copy at random, it chooses the perfect disguise for each situation, outsmarting the ocean's most dangerous hunters. From the axolotl's miraculous regeneration, to the Arctic fox's seasonal disguise, the pistol shrimp's sonic weapon, the indestructible tardigrade, and the mimic octopus's genius, each animal reveals a different face of adaptation. Together, they show us that survival isn't just about strength, but about change, creativity, and resilience. Adaptation is the engine of evolution. It's how life overcomes the impossible, finds new paths, and flourishes in every corner of our planet. These creatures remind us that the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, and that we, too, are part of this story. So which adaptation inspired you most? Let's celebrate and protect the ingenuity of life. Stay curious, support conservation, and keep exploring the incredible world around us. Subscribe for more stories that reveal the magic of our natural world.